guys, how you doing? It's Hungry Girl Eats. Welcome to my channel. Tonight I decided to have a little late night snack, and I believe these are meringue things. I really don't know, but they caught my eye when I went to the bakery, and I thought I would enjoy them with you guys. No, I'm not trying to make an MSR, but because it's nighttime, you know, just trying to be not as loud. I just have water. I really crave, like, I just drink water all the time because it's so hot. I don't know what it is. Maybe you guys are the same way, but when that cold water starts flowing down your mouth, it's just so refreshing. So, there was a little bit of a language barrier when I went to this particular bakery. It is a Dominican bakery, and I love their food, but I can't communicate. But food's like a universal language, right? So I guess I'll just have to try these flavors and guess, or you guys can tell me if you know. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Whoa, that's a sugar rush, guys. Now I'm probably gonna get loud, sorry. I had no idea. That tastes like straight sugar, guys. Maybe I better not eat all of them, but I'm gonna eat one of each color for sure. So we'll go with the pink one. It's definitely sugar. Okay. I don't know if these are cake toppings or decorations, but guys, if you have a sugar rush, or you need a sugar fix, this is it. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I don't know if you can tell in this lighting. This one's yellow. I don't know why you can't see it's so yellow. It's definitely yellow. Oh, sorry. Whoa. You know, like, Some people, when they eat, they're absolutely like showing just enjoyment, interaction. And it's like, if I taste something that, you know, I mean, I just have a reaction. I'm sorry. You know what? I probably need to work on it. I'm gonna have a sugar rush. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna, I don't know. That's a lot of sugar, guys. Like, it tastes like, I can drop one of these in my coffee, which I do have coffee here, by the way, but I just wanted to have water to clean my palate. And I mean, I'm glad I chose water, because this is, whoa, whew. But geez, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do just one more. I'm trying to figure out which one you would all want me to try. The blue one's cute. I think I'll go with the blue. Blue, blue, blue suede shoes, baby. Blue, blue. Sorry. See, it's making me goofy already. Holy moly, guys. I'm done, guys. That's good enough for me. I don't want too much sugar. Like, I thought it would be like a mild sweet. This tastes like it just literally starts melting in your mouth of sugar. So I hope you guys don't mind. I made a late night video with a little bit of snack in mind. If you like, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, leave a comment, and of course like my channel, please. But anyway, nice seeing you guys. Y'all stay blessed and have a wonderful evening. Bye.